Hello. In this video I'm going to show you, to those of you that have Linux system, how to install Gimp, Inkscape and Blender. We are going into the first two ones, Gimp and Inkscape. The most immediate way of doing this is by using what is called the Synaptic tool. So if you have a searcher on your menu, please make sure you are going to write these letters: Synaptic, gestor de paquetes Synaptic. In case you do not have a searcher, it is usually findable into system. Where is it? Let me have a look here. Instalador de paquetes Synaptic here. And of course you will have to insert your password. And once you're here, the good thing about this manager is that you don't have to download anything at all. You don't have to go into any web browser. You just only have to write down the word, for instance, in this case, Inkscape, and immediately after, you see, for instance, here you have, in my case, of course, I have it already installed, but if you don't, you just only have to right click on it and marcar para instalar. Okay, and once you have done that, you're going to do the same thing with Gimp, in case, and of course you are going to do that same thing with Blender. Okay, in this case, as you can see, my operative system has available a rather old version of Blender in comparison with the one that I'm going to use in these videos, which is the 2.82. But anyways, the difference between the 2.8 and the 2.82 is not going to be that big, so you could perfectly use this very version. Okay, so you would do right click on it and you would install it if you want to. And once you have done all those things, you would click here directly on Aplicar. And you're going to find out the manager is going to download and install by itself all those programs. So I hope this video, although it has been short, has been helpful for all of you. Thank you so much. Stay safe.